Hello and welcome to the Product Discovery Series. My name is Cole Nebeker, and today we will be covering the security benefits and specifications of PDK's Red credentials. Let's get started. PDK Red credentials are a high-security alternative to your typical prox card. These MyFair DesFire EV2 credentials utilize an encryption protocol that ensures that card or fob duplication is impossible. This is done by using a higher frequency, 13.56 MHz signal combined with PDK's Red encryption technology. A handshake can then be accomplished between the Red credential and the Red reader. Keep in mind that Red credentials are only high security when used in combination with a Red reader. These credentials have a wide variety of features available that allow them to work with any site of any size and of any need. For example, the RCP comes with both the encrypted 13.56 MHz credential and a standard 125 kHz prox credential, designed for use at a facility that may have a combination of high security and prox readers. Alternatively, you may opt for a magstripe combination that includes both the 13.56 MHz credential and the magstripe credential. Again, this is for use at a hybrid facility. One of the diversifying specs of the card format is the option to purchase them in either 4K or 8K formats. This number specifies the amount of storage that you have available on the credential, either 4 kilobytes or 8 kilobytes. This storage can be used to store additional information on board the credential. All of the Red card formats come in either a PVC or PET material design. The Red key fob is a more compact form factor that also takes advantage of the Red encryption technology. In combination with its durable polycarbonate shell, this credential is extremely durable for day-to-day use in any condition. The diverse formats of the Red credentials and their high security functionality make them an ideal addition to any application looking to prevent credential duplication and improve security. So if you want credentials that bring your security to the next level, look no further than the Red credentials by PDK.